Hi everyone, my name is Abhilash and I want to speak about how you can write a research paper in LaTeX. First, you need to go to the website overleaf.com/login, create an account there, and log into your account with your email ID. Log in with your email ID. All you need to go to your new project. Let's say go to the view all. Okay, there will be a search bar, and in the search bar you may search any type of research paper related templates. Let's say I have typed here lecture notes of computer science and it got me to this link. I'm pressing this link and it will show some like this: Springer lecture notes in computer science. You can open it as a template, or you can view the source file, or you can download it as a PDF. Let me open as a template first. It will show you something like this. Now it will show you some interface like this. There's a menu here, there's some files, there's a source code here, and the output of the source code will be shown in this plane. Let me zoom out, and it will show you some research paper like this. Okay, now here you can edit the references, theorems, the pictures, the table, and how to write the headings, subheading, and you can also insert images. Also you can edit these first author, second author, and also contribution title. Let me explain the code first. There's a document class here running heads LLNNES. It is a lecture notes from computer science. It is the name of that link. Also they have used some packages, like some graphics have been used. Now we have to begin the document by writing like a begin document, and it should end like /end document, and in between these two tags we write the whole code. And here you can edit the contributing title, so you can add a title. I have added a new title. A new title has been added to this, and now to see a change in this PDF you need to recompile here. Okay, after the compilation has been done, a new title should appear in your PDF. Likewise, you may change the first section, the subheading, anything. And the main thing is how you can do this in the source code. The matter is how you can write the syntax of the different construct of images, tables, headings, subheadings, how to write in math mode, non-math mode. Okay, that is the main thing you have to learn. Okay, so the main thing I want to do is I am selecting all the text from this section, my first section, up till the bibliography. Okay, let me select everything. Okay, up till bibliography, and I am deleting this section and I am compiling. Now it will show me like this. Okay, you need to start from here, and you have to edit the abstract in the source code as well as the keywords in the source code. And now from here I will make you understand how we can write the whole source code in LaTeX. Okay, in LaTeX this percentage sign represents that now from this position you can add any letters. It behaves as a comments in the LaTeX section. Okay, let's say I want to give a heading to my document, so I should write /section, in curly braces you write new discovery. New discovery is the name of the section. Okay, just compile it, and you may see this new discovery with the 1 in front of it. Or you may include subsection even, /subsection, in curly braces write animals. Animals is the name of the subsection. Recompile it, and you see 1.1 with animals as a name. I've written a sentence: animals are very lovely and beautiful. Let's recompile it. It is showing some output like this. Let me zoom it. Okay, it is looking like this. Also I've written space, they live in jungle. Now after compilation it will show you like this: they live in jungle. Okay, if I press and enter and shift it to the next sentence, even though if we recompile it, it will show in the same relative position. But if I write a sentence gap in between these two sentences, then it will show me something like this. See this, something like this. They have a space or indent between the first relative position and this D. Okay, now let's say we want this they will start from the same first position, so you write no indent in front of they live in jungle. Now recompile it. If you see, D is starting from the first position, not having any indent. Now let us see how to write the mathematical equations in the document separately. Let's say write the area of the circle is given by. Now you write in the next line begin equation and you write A equals to pi r square. You may write like this: begin equation, end equation, and in between begin and end write area equals to / pi r square. See, the power should be written as this arrow, upward arrow, along with the parenthesis open, then 2 parenthesis close. You also may have written like this too, but I suggest you to write like this. Okay. After recompilation, the PDF would look like this. The area of the circle is given by, in the next line it will show you A equals to pi r square. You also may have given a reference by writing equation number, put a parenthesis here, and also you may also label it like this. I've added this eq dot parenthesis. It is not necessary, but this is necessary. Label is necessary. This name is necessary. Area circle is the name or label of this equation. Now you may put equation number, reference, curly braces, and area circle. Okay, now this eq dot is not necessary, but you may write anything instead, like say tiger equation or anything, something like this. Okay, it is not the fact that it requires eq dot. Okay, also you may recompile it. If you notice the output given by tiger eq1. Okay, here is the thing. If you notice here, 1 has been placed just in front of this equation. As in the mathematics book, you may see that. And also equation, a reference has been given, and a tiger equation reference. Okay, now if you want to write the equation of circle in this way, area of the circle bracket A equals to pi r square, full stop, you need to write like this: area of the circle, and in math mode you need to write dollar first to start the math mode, and then write all the characters that you want to have in the math mode. Say in parenthesis A equals to pi r square, and then close the math mode by putting dollar again. Now the question arises, how do I know that /pi is written for the symbol pi? Okay, you may go to the website. In this website, okay, you may get all the symbols used in LaTeX. Okay, let's say for example I was using this symbol /pi for using this symbol pi. Okay, you may use any symbol in place of that. Let's see an example and we can get to the point. Let's say I want to write pi by omega, okay, in mathematics. Okay, so what I do is, you may also use begin align keyword to insert a equation in a step-by-step manner. For example, I will show you some example. Like if you want to insert pi by omega, you can use pi, and here it is omega. Also, you may write the integral sign like this. If you notice here, integral sign from 0, okay, you must do like this, 0 up till infinity. You can close the brace like this, up till infinity. And there's a fraction which is states that the numerator is 2x and the denominator is 4, and you can write at last dx. Okay, in this way you can achieve the integral equations. Or may use sum in place of infinity integer. Okay, int, you can add sum and you will get some symbols like this, summation symbol in this way, 0 up to infinity 2x by 4 dx. Okay, and lastly we can add, let's say, the numerator as the pi symbol and the denominator as the omega, and to the power of 2. Okay, and we note that for each power we are enclosing a parenthesis. Okay, and it is better to do that because it is saying that this 2 is separately behaving as a power of the omega. Okay, if you write 2 in this way, it doesn't matter. If you recompile it, it will show omega square. I have recompiled it and it will showing us the same answer. But if you write omega 2, let's say e, then I think it will not show you, since the e is after the square, means omega square is separated by the e with a simple parenthesis. If I write parenthesis and enclose 2e, it will show 2e as a power of omega. Okay, let me recompile it, and here's it go. Okay, 2e as a power of omega. One thing you should note here is, if you write align, okay, it will show you the numbers, the equation numbers for both the equations. For example, in this equation we have the label eq1. Okay, and this eq1 can be used to reference this equation in your text. Okay, and here also equation 2 has been used, the label. Okay, now here is a double slash. This double slash refers that a new line has been started. This is very necessary in your equation. And let's see the output now. The output would be in this way. We are giving equations, equation 1 and equation 2 in the aligned manner. In the next video I will show you the live example, how we can insert an image, how we can insert matrix in a document, and also give the bibliography along with the reference and citing. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will make videos of LaTeX, and also you will not miss any updates if you subscribe my channel and turn on your notifications. Okay, thank you.